Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening the workbook. Make a quick backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, check Excel version and enable the Developer tab. This gives you the Visual Basic Editor option. If you cannot access VBA, make a copy and rename. XLSX to zip, then extract to view workbook XML. You need valid permission to proceed because these steps modify structure directly. Follow closely. The initial setup prevents accidental data loss and speeds the removal process. You now run the core unprotect action using VBA so you can remove sheet protection without guessing passwords. Open Visual Basic Editor with Alt plus F11, insert a new module, and paste a minimal macro that iterates sheets and attempts to unprotect using known algorithms. Run it and watch the immediate pane for results. This works because VBA can alter sheet properties programmatically. Make sure to save a new file after success, because the macro changes protections, and you may want the original intact. Finally, if VBA did not remove protection, use the ZIP and XML route. Close Excel, rename. XLSX to zip, extract, and edit the sheet XML files to remove the sheet protection element. Once removed, recompress the files, rename back to XLSX, then open Excel and verify editability. If the workbook errors or sheets remain locked, restore the backup and try an alternative recovery method or authorized password recovery tool. If stuck, check file permissions. Sometimes the operator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.